stuff to do. We are in we're at Conway, New Hampshire, and we're doing South Moat Mountain. Fairly steep, 3/4 of the way up. About a 5-mile hike. There we are. And we are going right up to South Moat. So, should be a good hike. Blue skies. Very cold today. Make the best of it. 2.7 to South Moat, so 5.4-mile hike. All right. Well, here we go on the trail on this beautiful, epic day. All right. Well, we're a little over, I don't know, almost halfway there. But that's the top. I don't know if you can see it that well, but just staring it down, it is a fairly steep climb. We're just making our way. We'll be heading up that way. Peak. So, a few cars in the parking lot, not too bad. Just full sun out, no clouds, so we got lucky. But that's it. A very easy trail to follow with the pine needles. It's just a trail of pine needles. Very well marked, orange, but very breezy. I passed a woman coming down. She went up there early, and she said it's very breezy at the top. So it'll be a little cold up there, but I'm hoping with the sun out, it won't be too bad. But we got this little bit of woods we got to go through until we start getting to the steep stuff again. So that's it. Here we go. Well, we're at the halfway point. Official halfway point. We're only 1,340 feet of elevation right now, but we're halfway to our elevation, so we got a long way to go still, but it's opening up a little. Yeah, it's steep, that last quarter of it. I probably can't see it through the trees, but it's gonna be a climb. That ought to be fun. I should have brought my headgear for the GoPro. That would have had some good shots, but yeah, next time. Okay, I'll see you guys up on them cliffs. Yeah, it's a steep one. Not too bad. I haven't even taken my poles out yet, but it's definitely a workout without the poles too. They would definitely help a little. It's probably might get worse up there, but this was pretty steep, this section. I mean, you really can't tell with the GoPro. I mean, that's me just pointing the camera straight out. It's steep. So, he's a mountain goat. He hasn't had an issue yet. He's just waiting for me crying like I'm taking too long. But anyway, it's clearing up a little. The tree line. Beautiful day. We really got lucky with the no clouds this way. It said 70% clouds. All trails, you were wrong. Anyway, all right. Woo, we're continuing. Woo, finally getting up to a little opening. Still got some elevation to gain, but oh, beautiful. Oh, beautiful views. Getting windy, but the views are spectacular. All right, well, I think a little up ahead where Chewie is, a little spot. I think I'll take a couple pics of the Ossipee Range and continue to the peak. See you guys in a little bit. Right, Chewie? Yeah, that a boy. Good boy. Oh, good boy. Yeah. What a beautiful little spot. A little rock to block some of the wind. Oh, wow. It's nice looking at the snow all glittery and crystallized with no footprints in it. It's so peaceful. Alright. Alright, I've soaked it in. Here we go. Going up. What a beautiful ridgeline to be walking on. Whew. No complaints today. Feeling good. Chewie's looking good. It's been a rough week. Thinking about my dad a lot. And my birthday coming up in a week. I just miss him. It's one thing I miss about my dad. I didn't get to see him much the last few years. Man, he gave the best hugs. He gave the best hugs. I miss that. I miss that the most. But anyway, feels good to be out here doing what we both love to do. Hiking and looking at epic views. Ah, yeah. He's with me. I know he's with me. I can feel it. Alright. Oh, what a beautiful day. A little more ways to go, but it's wide open. It's definitely windy. Get the mountain goat over there, but I mean, we're getting to see everything now. I think once we get to the top, it's gonna be 360 views, but it's nice. I'm getting to see the other side of the range. Whew. Just mountains upon mountains. I'm loving it. All right, here we go. It's blowing. Getting close to the peak. The wind chill has got to be negative. I gotta cover up my face. Oh. We won't be staying up here long. It's just too windy. It's too cold. This is it. This is the peak. Woo. Wow. That's blown about 30 to 40 at least. Gotta be cold for the weekend. Alright. We're gonna take a look around. We'll go look over here. Oh, beautiful. Woo. Oh, epic views. Epic views. Yeah. Alright. Let's get the Chewie GoPro on for the way down, but I'm gonna keep this boat on. I don't need to put its GoPro on. I'll just use my GoPro on the way down. Some shots, but this is far we're going. We're not gonna go to the next mountain. We're not gonna go to I think it's Middle Moat or something over there. It's just way too windy. It's wide open. Chewie, come on, brother. He wants to, but we're not. All right. We're taking a break. See you guys in a little bit. Alright, well, we're just heading down South Moat. It's just far too windy to have a snack. I mean, whew, it is cold. I mean, you could probably hear the wind on the GoPro. But yeah, we're just making our way back down. We do a little butt sledding. We'll see. Get that on the GoPro. I did it last year at Cannon. That was fun. I don't have my seat pad though, so I have to use my butt. I think we'll wait till we get a little further down. This is steep. I'll fly right off. All right, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Maybe some butt sledding. I don't know. I don't want to get hurt. Okay. Take one of butt sledding with no seat pad. I mean, my pants are waterproof, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get going or not. No, we're not steep. Oh, a little bit. Woo! There we go. Yeah, I'll wait for a steeper spot on take two. Woo! Woo! That was fun. All right, that was fun. That was a good spot. I'm not gonna do every single one, but that was a good one. All right. Well, unless I have something epic happen, I'll see you guys on the next hike. So, for me and Chewie, happy trails. Be safe out there. Go, 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 go! That was a bummer.